We understand your frustration. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. In today's video, we're going to talk about the frustration, the anger, the upsettedness caused by USCIS and the United States State Department. We talk to people every single day. Would you believe it if I told you that we get about 300 new contacts a week? Either through email or the chat bot or by calling our office. And we talk to people day after day who are so upset and so beaten down and so downtrodden from the horrible treatment that they've received from these government agencies that are supposedly completely and well funded by the filing fees that you pay. In my mind, the government enters into a contract. When they take your application fee, they are obligated to handle your case in a timely fashion. Unfortunately, for a variety of reasons, many of which are not named COVID, these government bureaucrats and government officials are not carrying their end of the bargain. They're not doing what they're supposed to do. They're not following the law. There needs to be a sea change at USCIS. I'm not talking about minor tweaks. I'm not talking about Uncle Joe Biden going along, getting along, just trying to make things a little bit better and reminding us that his name is not Donald J. Trump. We're talking massive need for real systemic change in an agency, in two agencies that are simply not cutting the mustard. If we were talking about where they fall on the grade, I'm talking 20-30%. They're doing a terrible job. And this leads to that frustration, and we understand your frustration. Now listen, I'm a white dude who lives 10 minutes from where he grew up. When it comes to immigration, I have it easy. I was born a natural-born citizen, and I have had it very easy in my life when it comes to immigration. But I do have the ability to empathize, and the people that work on our team have the ability to empathize and sympathize and to understand the emotional havoc caused by these interminable delays and this agency that simply doesn't know what it's doing. So I can't say that I have the exact same frustrations, but when you deal with this agency day in and day out and you see the hurt in people's eyes and you hear them crying and you hear their long stories of woe and how it's affecting their marriages, how it's affecting their family and their children, it really gets to you after a while. It really makes you upset, and it really makes you want to fight, which is why our core value number one at Hacking Immigration Law is we fight for immigrants every day. And so here we are. We can't experience the same frustration that you have, but we can channel all of our energies into trying to turn the tide and trying to help you get your case on track and to get USCIS to pay attention to your case. Obviously, we handle all kinds of immigration cases, but this is also where our lawsuits come into play. We're heading close to 1,000 lawsuits against USCIS and or the State Department. And to me, it just goes to show how far we'll go to try to end your frustration. Most immigration lawyers do not know how to file lawsuits. They're a little reluctant to file lawsuits. They might even be scared to file lawsuits. And a lawsuit is what's going to get your case moving. And this isn't a pitch for lawsuits. This is just an explanation that we understand your frustration. We're trying to stand side by side with you, and we'll do everything we can to help you get your case moving. If you have questions or need our help, give us a call, 314-961-8200. Email us info@hackinglawpractice.com or info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. You can join our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. We also have our YouTube channel that you can subscribe to. And you can always leave comments in the videos if you have topics you'd like us to cover in a video. And don't forget, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, most times at noon Central, you'll find us live in our Facebook group and on the YouTube channel, answering as many of your immigration law related questions as possible. Thanks a lot and have a great day.